Thank you for visiting our channel. Are you a PhD student struggling to understand research methodologies? If so, today's topic is for you. Today we're exploring descriptive research, a cornerstone of academic inquiry. Let's take a look at how this method can change the way you do research. With nothing but your keen observation skills and a notebook, imagine standing at the edge of a huge landscape of data. That's descriptive research. It's about capturing the essence of your subject in its natural state, untouched and unaltered. It's about getting under the skin of the subject, not just scratching the surface. The core of descriptive research is describing and understanding phenomena in their natural habitat. Basically, what it does is to capture the details of a scene, a person, a group, or an event without affecting anything in a negative way. Getting a sneak peek into the world of academic research is like being a fly on the wall. It's all about observation, noting, and describing. Why is this important? The first step to solving a puzzle is to understand every aspect of it before you decide what to do next. The process of descriptive research helps you to gather all these pieces in order to prepare the groundwork for further exploratory and explanatory research to follow. It is the foundation for building complex hypotheses. There are different ways to conduct descriptive research. Surveys, for example, involve collecting data by means of questionnaires or interviews in order to gather information. These studies are great for gaining insight into trends, attitudes, or behaviors across large groups of people. On the other hand, there are observational studies in which you watch and note behaviors in real time as they happen. This is about capturing the moment as it unfolds without interfering with anything. Then there are case studies, the in-depth investigations into a specific subject or group, providing a detailed and comprehensive picture of the subject. Every method has its own strengths. Surveys can provide a broad overview, observational studies offer a lens into real-life context, and case studies allow for an in-depth exploration of a particular subject. Imagine you're studying the impact of digital learning tools in higher education. With descriptive research, you could survey students and educators about their experiences, observe digital classes in action, or conduct a case study on a specific educational institution. Each approach would provide valuable insights into the current state of digital learning. But it's not all smooth sailing. Descriptive research demands clarity, precision, and an unbiased approach. Your goal is to observe and record, not to influence or alter. It requires a keen eye for detail and a commitment to objectivity. Like, share, and subscribe if this video was helpful and informative to you. Now, how do you apply this in your own research? First, define your research question with clarity. What exactly do you want to know or describe? Next, choose the method that best suits your objective. And finally, remain as objective as possible. Your role is to be an observer, not a participant. Descriptive research is a powerful tool in the researcher's arsenal. It helps you understand the what of your subject, providing a solid base for further study. Remember, good research often starts with good observation. Before we conclude, a question for you. In your research journey, how have you utilized descriptive research, and what insights did it offer? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from our academic community. And there you have it, an overview of descriptive research. Like, share, and subscribe if this video was helpful and informative to you. Your support helps us create more content to assist you on your academic journey. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll continue to explore the multifaceted world of research methodologies. Until next time, keep questioning, keep researching, and let's make the pursuit of knowledge an exciting adventure. Remember, we're here to support and guide you through the intricate path of dissertation and thesis writing.